this is all for those that want to get rid of those wrinkles, laugh lines, deep lines, expression lines, and all that. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing, hit the red subscribe button, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. So you are welcome, and the ingredients I'll be using today are purely natural, very safe for you without causing any side effect. Like this will tighten your skin, this will get rid of those aging signs, slowing down the aging process and making sure your skin is glowing, well moisturized, and looking well hydrated. So you want to know how to prepare this remedy, keep on watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video to everyone. So let's go into this remedy without wasting time. When you add 2 drops into this remedy, you won't have wrinkles, fine lines, laugh lines, and the rest. Your skin will look younger all the time. Your skin will look flawless all the time. So you have to get a mixing bowl. Make sure everything is clean. And the first ingredient to have here is turmeric. Turmeric is a very good ingredient that you need. It's packed with antioxidants. This is a very wonderful spice or herb that you need. When you apply it on your skin will look brighter, younger, and tighter. So it helps to firm up a saggy skin, getting rid of those laugh lines and other signs of aging. Turmeric will as well help to prevent sunburn. It's a natural sunscreen that you need to take care of your skin all the time. I'll be adding half tablespoon of it. This quantity is for you, for those that want to apply it only on the face and neck. If you want to apply it all over the body, go ahead and double the ingredients, increase the quantity of turmeric. Next we have here is aloe vera gel. I love aloe vera so much because of its moisturizing, hydrating qualities. So this will help to soothe irritated skin, get rid of dry skin, and keep your skin looking well moist, well moisturized, making it to look younger all the time. It also has tightening effect on the skin, helping to firm your skin, making sure you look younger all the time. So you can make use of plant aloe vera gel. Here is 99% aloe vera gel and it's so active. I got it from the supermarket and it works perfectly. So I'll be adding a teaspoon. So just squeeze in 1 tablespoon of it. I'm running out of it, so I'll get another. Another one I have here is flour. Make use of any flour, rice flour or rice powder. Use oat powder. You can make use of baking flour. Here is a baking flour. You can make use of gram flour. These flours are packed with nourishing vitamins that will help to protect, hydrate, nourish your skin, protect your skin against free radical damage that makes you to age fast. Flour will help to tighten a saggy skin and firm it up to make sure you have no wrinkles. If you have wrinkles already, the consistent use of this treatment, you won't have them anymore. Just added a tablespoon of my flour. So go ahead and mix it before adding the last ingredient, the oil. And here we have castor oil. This oil is amazing. Castor oil contains fatty acids which have moisturizing, skin health enhancing, and antioxidant properties. They help to minimize wrinkles. It also improves skin texture and healthy appearance of the skin. It helps to fight acne, soothe sunburn, and many more. So do not joke with this oil. It's really important. Like, it helps to tighten the skin, making you to look younger all the time. So get castor oil. It's thicker than most oil. It's in a thick form. Just Few drops is all you need. You don't really need too much, okay? Just a little of it will go a long way. So you have to go ahead and mix again. If yours is still very thick, go ahead and add either rose water or few drops of water, a lukewarm water, to make it not so thick and not watery. So I love the way it is and it's perfect. So I'll go right now to show you how you can apply this on the skin, on the area you want to tighten to make younger. To get rid of those laugh lines, expression lines, deep wrinkles, lip lines and all that, those are signs of aging that you need to start treating on time before it start getting worse. If you have deep wrinkles, serious wrinkles, with consistent use of this treatment, you will look younger, your skin will look smoother, your skin will look brighter, moisturized and plumper. So for now that you don't have deep wrinkles, you have to use this treatment. Clean your face thoroughly, of course, before applying it. You can start applying it on the area you have those laugh lines. Laugh lines are always around this area. Like whenever you smile or laugh, you will notice them around this region, just like this. Okay, so just go ahead and apply it around there. Then we have what is called eye wrinkles, those little folds underneath your eye. Okay, apply it under. Most people, they have these laugh lines at a very early age, so it's very natural to have laugh lines, but those are actually going to turn deeper with time. Okay, it's very good to laugh. Yes, it makes you look younger, but when you are always laughing all the time, you'll be forming those lines. And when you are squeezing your face, when you are always frowning, you can also develop frown lines, and that one can be very serious. That is why it's best to smile. Okay, you smile instead of frowning. So you apply it any other part you want to tighten, any other part you want to minimize those signs of aging. Go ahead and apply it on your neck upwardly. Tighten your neck skin to make it look very young, more youthful. If you start using this treatment very early, it's not late anyway. Any age you are, just start using it and you will never age fast anymore. Take care of your skin while you are still young. If you already have deep wrinkles, no problem, it's not late. You will notice a lot of improvement because this treatment will make your skin more plump. It will hydrate your skin, make your skin to appear more younger. Your skin will be very smooth and fresh. So just go ahead and apply this treatment. After 20 to 25 minutes or 30 minutes, go ahead and wash it off and you're all good. So when you apply this treatment, it's not only to get rid of signs of aging. You will notice that your skin will get clearer, because the ingredients are exfoliating. It will remove dead skin cells. Make sure you always use ordinary water to wash off any facial mask, any wrinkle treatment. You will need the oil to remain after washing it off, and that oil will keep on penetrating and working. If you have serious dry skin, go ahead and apply extra moisturizer like almond oil, vitamin E oil. Massage it upwardly, like this. Massage the oils upwardly. Massage it like this to tighten your skin, to prevent you from developing those wrinkles. And your skin will even out. Your skin will look so polished, well nourished, so supple, so beautiful. So just continue using this treatment every day. It's safe to use every day. You can also use it 3 times weekly and you're all good. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and share it to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.